Want to know how to add a product or anything to your wish list in wish.com? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your wish.com application or your website. And once you've done that, here you can see various products. So you can just simply scroll down until you find the right one. Just simply select it. And now once you've done that, here you should be seeing add to wish list right below. So here you can see, just simply select it, and once it's selected, add to wish list, your items has been successfully saved. Now if you want to create categories on the wish list as well, you can just simply hover on your profile, that should be on the top right, and then select wish list right here. And once that is on the list, here you should be your saved and my wish list. So if you want to create a list, just simply select create a list right here, and you can create a new wish list just for yourself. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.